babes, how are you? This is your girl J Baby, and welcome back to series 7 of our affordable 5 below perfumes, y'all. So we're trying to get through them. You will see me with this same outfit on in series 6 because I am doing piggyback back to back, okay, to get these videos out to you, to get these perfumes out to you. So let's go ahead on and get into series 7, y'all. So I'm excited because I'm smelling good. That last one and 6, if you don't know, go back to 6, girl, okay? Because 6 smells really good. I'm not going to tell you in here. I'll tell you there. I'll tell you at that video when you go back there, okay? All right, so let's go ahead on and get this out of the way. The next one I have for series 7 of the affordable 5 below perfumes. They're very affordable, y'all. This one I'm excited because I heard so many good things about this one, and I have smelled this one, the brand that goes with this one before, so I'm hoping that everything works out okay for me. So this one is very seductive, so very sexy, and this is by Solo Fragrances, and this one is inspired by, say, our impressions of Victoria's Secret. Oh, so sexy. Ooh, so sexy. Ooh, so sexy. So this is, and in my 6th series, I did not tell y'all how many full ounces was. I'm so sorry. I will put it down below, but we're going to get it out today. So this right here is a 3.4 ounce, which is 100 mil. So this is what the box looks like. This is from 5 Below. Let's go ahead and pop the girlie open, okay? Let's pop it open. I try not to open none of my perfumes, y'all. That way that we can open them together. We can smell what they smell like together. So that's what I try to do. Y'all smell good from that last from series 6, so please go back and check that out. Okay, so let's go ahead on. Oh, okay. Okay, she's giving the bottle, the juice area is giving, but this top, girl, looks like it's look like it is so plastic. It's hard to get off too. Listen, it's plasticky. Well, I'm definitely gonna smell this because this stink right now. I don't know what that is. Maybe it was a little too tight to stink. Girl, okay. Listen, we're going to go ahead on and we're going to spray this. So this is a dupe for You So Sexy by Victoria's Secret. So I'm going to go ahead on and I have my notes down here. So the notes that's in here, it says, very seductive, so very sexy impression fragrance. Perfume is a feminine fragrance that is perfect for any occasion. They say for any occasion. It is a blend of whipped cream, crisp apple, freshly sweet, and musk. Okay, it's a 3.4 ounce. Okay, the top notes of whipped cream and crisp apple open with a fresh fruity scent. The middle notes are freshly sweet and musk add a warm sensual touch. The base notes of musk provide a long-lasting, luxurious finish. Very seductive, so very sexy impression fragrance. Perfume is a great way to make a statement and stand out from the crowd. It is a versatile fragrance that can be worn for any occasion. It is also a great value for the price. $5, you can't beat that. So I will let you guys know, okay, if this is any occasion, if it's great for any whatever. Okay, I'll let you know. You don't let me know. I'll let you know what my nose smell. Okay, y'all, let me go ahead on and get into what the Victoria's Secret ones, what they have inside the Victoria's Secret one. They say apple, whipped cream, and bergamot. That's the fragrance notes for that. So it says everything that it has in there. So let's go ahead on and spray it. I have it, and I did series 6 over here. So I'm going to go ahead and do series 7 over here. Okay, so this right here, right now I don't smell anything. It stank right now. I don't know what I'm smelling. I don't even smell a perfume. It smells like it's just overall something just stinking around here. Okay, so let's go ahead on and I'm going to spray it out here first. Get these sprayers out. Okay. Oh, okay. I can spray it now. Y'all see the sprayer? Okay. Let's go ahead on. Right now I smell alcohol. I smell alcohol. This smells like a man's cologne, really. So hold on, girl. We're gonna have to let this marinate. Give it a. I ain't supposed to shake it. You know, you don't shake perfumes, y'all. So What's going on? This smell like a man. Oh, wait a minute. We getting something. After you get past all this alcohol, y'all, this is a lot of alcohol on this. Every perfume we gonna get ain't gonna be beast mode or ain't gonna be like all that. But I'm telling you, girl, this is serious. Okay, if you can see, it's still wet. It's trying to dry down. Oh, when it do dry down, it smells really pretty though. Y'all, I'm tired. Okay, because this shouldn't take that long. Okay, this really should not take that long. And the top is so hard to get off of here. What y'all doing? Okay. No, I smell alcohol. When I first sprayed this, y'all, I smell alcohol. I smell alcohol. Now, I've seen some reviews on this right here, baby, but I smell alcohol, okay? So, I don't know if it's maybe my bottle, but I'm pretty sure all the bottles are like this, okay? I'm pretty sure that all the bottles. Some people say, oh, no, I'm pretty sure all of them like this, okay? Now, let me dry down, girl. Dry down. Look, it's forever to dry down, okay? I do smell it, but baby, listen. I don't have all day to try to let this stuff dry down. You know, but let me spray it on the clothes and see. Let's do that. I'm giving you the benefit of the doubt, buddy, but right now you is losing. Okay, you're losing. Alcohol. Alcohol. Listen. This right here, I smell alcohol. If there's anything coming from here, it's probably after I go to sleep and wake up in the morning, okay? Because right now I don't smell anything. And alcohol. And whatever I'm smelling, I smell something. I smell something, but it ain't something that's good, okay? No. I hear people hyping this up, girl, buy. Okay, look, I know it's $5. You probably mad because you miss your money. But baby, this is a no, okay? This right here is a no. Definitely. This was a waste because I don't smell anything. Even if I sit and let it masquerade, I don't believe that this is going to do it. Maybe. But, baby, that stink. Okay? That stinks. So, we ain't even got to go no further. And they talking about what they said in this whatchamacallit. They said that it's seductive, very sexy, very alcohol-y. Okay? Very alcohol-y. This right here, they shouldn't even sell this. Okay? If somebody smell it. No, it has a little teeny bit of an apple smell that I can barely smell. Now, I'm not nose blind, y'all, okay? Because I only did one perfume earlier, and I know a smell when I smell a smell. Babe, come here, please. You know what? Let me spray it on one of my my things. Let me see, because I know they lying, okay? Let's spray it on here and see what we get. And I'm going to be generous with it. I smell some alcohol and apples. That's what I smell. No. And how many times must I spray myself? No. Hey, buddy. That's not it. That's not it. Listen. This is not it. This is something I wouldn't even get this to a little kid to play with. Okay? Because I don't know what they doing with this. This is not it. I thought I was going to smell something beautiful. I thought I was going to smell some apples. I thought I was going to smell something that smells like my Soleil de Janeiro, the number 40. Because it's used, because Ooh So Sexy give you somewhat of a DNA of the, let me find out. Hold on, y'all. It gives you the DNA of this one right here, 40. And this one right here, yes, it gives you somewhat of a DNA. Now, I'm not saying it smells like this, but it does give a DNA of it. And what I'm getting from here is, no. No, it is not it. That is a bom. Okay? So, y'all, I will review some perfumes, but this one's not it. This is not, baby. This right here, this is not it. No, this is not it. And I'm still not getting nothing, y'all. I'm getting a little bit of apple. A little bit of powderiness. But no. No, baby. Okay? No, we good. We good over here. All right, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead on, and I'm just going to get on up out of here because there's nothing to see here, nothing to smell here, nothing to do here, nothing to wear here, okay? This right here is a no, 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 no. So any other videos, like I said, when they come on there, maybe they smell something I don't smell, girl, because I'm telling you, listen, I'm not going to sit there and lie with no perfume. I don't smell it right. It ain't smelling. This is alcohol, straight alcohol. And when it dries down, it takes forever to dry down. My arm is still wet. It's still wet. No. No, 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 no. All right. So I guess I see you tomorrow because I don't even feel like filming anymore. Now I'm mad. Okay. So I'm not going to do series 8. So series 8, hopefully I'll be okay to do series 8 tomorrow. Series 7.
I set your alarm for 7.
I did not say Siri set my alarm for 7. No, I didn't. Did y'all hear that? Anyway, so Siri's
7 p.m. alarm. Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi Siri, I'm not talking to you. Good night.
Okay, I found this on the web for I'm not talking to you. Good night.
Oh my goodness, can you get off? Okay, so Series 7 is a failure. So we'll go ahead on and do series 8 tomorrow, guys. So anyway, you know, like your girl says, be blessed and not stressed. Okay, y'all, so I know I just ended the video on this perfume right here, and it's been a couple of minutes now, and I'm starting to smell something. Okay, now you see how long it's been. That video was 11 some minutes, almost 12 minutes, and I'm starting to smell something. And what I'm smelling is really it does have a little teeny bit of this right here, but it's faintly. I just want you to know that it's very, very faintly. I do smell a little of the E so sexy, but it's so light. Okay, really, really light. And I really, yeah, it takes so long to smell it. So I still would say that it's a no for me. That I would take this as a loss. Okay, so if you would like to know, please don't buy this. Okay, don't buy this because you're going to be upset because there's nothing to it. There's nothing. It don't even last. It's my arm is actually sticky. It's sticky and it's wet for no reason, and it's nothing I'm smelling here. So, okay, y'all, don't buy it. This, don't buy it.